When completing a Works Cited or references page, students often struggle to do hanging indents correctly. Some of you might think of this as the tab that happens underneath the primary part of a citation. So today I'm going to show you how to set your hanging indents really easily using Google Docs. Here's my sample Works Cited page. You can see that I have all of my sources listed in alphabetical order. This is done in MLA style, but the same thing would work in APA style just as well. So once I've written out all of my reference citations properly and I have them in alphabetical order, I'm simply going to highlight all of the text, go to Format in the menu bar, choose Align and Indent, and from the drop-down menu that is provided there, I'm going to choose Indentation Options. When I do, I get this pop-up window. Underneath Special Indent here, I can follow another drop-down menu to choose Hanging. It automatically sets the hanging indent at 0.5, which is correct for both MLA and APA citations. I choose Apply, and it naturally sets my hanging indents for all of my citations. So I don't have to go through each one hitting Enter and Tab repeatedly and struggling with those formatting issues that often occur when you're doing that. Now, in order to have my proper Works Cited page, all I have to do is highlight one more time, choose double space, and my Works Cited page is complete.